Why don't you know your friends? It turns out how to fix porous on an already really severe car like this. Don't have to. Using welding way friends. I have a secret way to fix it. Very practical, economical, workless, and beginners. Guaranteed to fix it yourself at home. And for the materials and the cost, not expensive at all. There's practically economical, and this is so instant and steady. You guys are required to try. Like how friends. You can see together in this one video. Okay guys, just go ahead. To its repair or repair stage, yes. For the first way or the first step, what we do is the cleaning. By using Kogrog. Screwdriver you miss. Screwdriver min wheel grog. So that the piece of shit that's still attached, or corrosion parts. Corrosion rust porous rust that sticks, can fall out like this look. Wow, until it falls out. And part of the car body until it has holes. Like this, yeah guys, yeah. If it's next we prepare a little broom like this to sweep up the rest of the former. The corrosion friends so that it is certain. Clean ya friends. Yes to this porous car body. Well, we'll rub it until the sidelines so that the shedding parts from corrosive and also the rust can fall down like this. Well, if you have, the next step we prepare the tools and materials. First here we set up fiberglass, yes friends, yes for the main material. Violet like this you can buy in the online store, or at a nearby building store, or in any store. Like this, yeah, the name is fiberglass guys, yeah. The price is also very cheap. I will be here later. Tag the product in this video you can buy directly in the video tag below. Next step here we're gonna cut. For its fiberglass parts, it fits the size of it. Corrosive, or the rust on our car body was like this. We just cut enough, yeah. We form boxes. Well, if you have, for the next ingredient, we prepare again, which is the name. Plinkett, yes, or paint. This plinkett is usually used as paint for rust coating on the car body, you friends here. They are also very cheap. I'll be here later. Product tag. Below this video, you can check out my friends. Very cheap once this color black, you guys, yeah. Let's just open it for a can. The scooper friends. Well, if it's open like this, the result, while steady, yeah, really thick, yeah. Next, we prepare a brush like this, guys. Can use a new or used brush as a tool of its application to the porous body. Just now, we can add gasoline like this. Or you guys can also use tiner, you friends, we add a little appropriate. Usefulness of friends. Okay, if we have stirred it like this, yeah. Well, if you have the liquid from the pelligny earlier, we can apply the part of the body that we cleaned earlier. We live brush like this. We flatten your friends until evenly. In the body part, porous body. Like this, yeah. We flatten to the end until there was a hole earlier. Means we have to rub everything like this. Well, it feels pretty evenly, yeah friends. Yeah, like this already evenly. We can just stick it for the part of fiberglass, yeah friends. Well, so while we press like this, yeah, to make part of the fiberglass can stick to part of the flinken fluid earlier, yes. Well, we'll click and see. Immediately pervasive, yes friends. Yeah, like this straight up looks black. Black and seeping like this. Well, if you have, here later we're going to smear. Again at the top of it. Fiberglass again, you guys, yeah. Well, before we add it, we are going to dabbing the part. Top it, yeah, so. This pelligny like glue, you guys, yeah. We add, apply it again. We flatten it out like this. So that part of his fiber can be covered all by her fluids like this. Well, we flatten you for everything until it is close to part of its fiberglass. Okay, steady guys. Well, if we have just patched, again decide here ya friends here. Stick it again, plate like this, and we press it again like this. So that part of the fiberglass can be strongest, or can stick or fuse. With the bottom half just now, well, if you have, we tonkin again using brush like this. Make sure part all can be covered by liquid. The scoop, yeah guys, yeah. Well, like this, it's all closed, you guys. Well, if we have the final stage, stay flatten, friends. Well, just flatten all, so that part of it can be smooth, yeah guys, yeah. Well, like this we rub, and we flatten it, or this level is called a level. Finishing, friends. Well, like this, yeah. Already looks pretty smooth and smooth like this. Just wait until it dries. For the dry, range of 1 more daily, yes, or 2 days. Better. Well, like this. Be shiny, yeah guys, yeah. We wait around 1 to 2 days, yes my friends, depending on whether the day is hot or not, so that the dryness can be maximized, yeah guys, yeah. Well, on this side that I'm working on, in yesterday day guys, look at this really hard, yeah guys, yeah. Yesterday this part of his body is very porous, and hollow yet until hollow. After I did with the trick and the way I was, you guys can see for yourself this is so steady like a car body, you guys, yeah. And it won't rust anymore.
Karena tidak
Don't use iron,
menggunakan
yeah
besi ya
guys,
teman-teman ya.
so that the rust will not come again. See this if we hit really hard, yeah guys, yeah. And this is really very steady. Well, that's how to fix. Car body is porous without using welding techniques. Guaranteed that this is very instant. And the result, really very steady. You guys can try it at friends' houses. Okay, if you guys like this video, don't forget to click the like button below and hit his subscribe button, as well as ring the notification bell so that you all don't miss the videos latest update, the other one from this channel.